Welcome to DP's Education. In this video, we are going to learn about text formatting in HTML. So in text formatting, we'll use B tag for bold text, strong for important text, I for italic text, mark for marked text, and small for small text, SUP for superscript text, and SUB for subscript text. So here by seeing you understood what is bold text, italic, and small text and all. But by giving example, I'll tell what is SUP and SUB and where we can use this SUP and SUB. Okay. So now let's start and we'll open Visual Studio Code, and here we'll create another page like text formatting for text formatting dot html. Yes, so text formatting dot html will include the boilerplate. So title will change it as title will give it as text formatting. Okay, so text formatting. Yes, we'll open with a live server. Yes, text formatting. So in the body we'll give h1, inside the h1 tag, text formatting in HTML. Control yes. Yes, here we can see the text formatting in HTML. So now yes, here we'll give inside the paragraph tab. First we'll see the bold text. So this is bold text. Okay, so here we can see this is bold text. Now we'll add B tag to this sentence. So inside the paragraph tag, if we add B tag, okay, /b, yes. Yes, now you can see the changes. So what is bold text and what is normal text? So normal text will be, this is normal text, and this is bold text. Here you can see, so this is the normal text and this is bold text. Okay, and we'll see strong, strong. Okay, this is strong text. So this is strong text. Yes, here you can see the bold text and the strong text, so both are same. So what is the difference is, when you give B tag for the paragraph or a particular word, this website will consider it as only a bold text. But when you give strong tag, inside the strong tag, if you give any a particular paragraph or a word, the browser will consider it as an important text. So this is only the difference between B tag and the strong tag. And we'll see the next tag is what is the next tag? I tag, italic tag. So inside the I tag, this is italic text. So this is italic text. Yes, here you can see this is italic text. So to give the break between two sentences, we'll use br tag to give the break. Yes, here you can see br tag we'll use to give the break. And what is the next? Mark tag. So sorry, just a minute. this is mark text. Here you can see, yes, this is how the mark text will be like. Mark tag is used to highlight the particular sentence, like how we will highlight in the yellow marker in the textbook and all. So here mark tag is used to highlight like that some particular paragraph, or if we want to highlight some particular word, we'll use a mark tag. And here small, next is small tag. So this is small text. As here you can see the difference for what normal text and for the small text. Okay, so this is what for the about the small command, sorry, small tag. And now we'll see what is SUP and SUB. Now suppose we have this is, and here we'll give SUP. Suppose we'll give SUP text. Okay, so here you can see this is the SUP text is appeared above the is command. So where we'll use this is, suppose if we want to give 2 power 2, okay, or n square, a square, b square, in that case we'll use SUP command. For example, if we want to give a square, we'll type a, and inside SUP we'll give 2. Okay, so yes, so this is how a square will look like. So we'll use SUP for this purpose. So if you want to give a square plus b square, SUP b square, a square plus b square. So here you can see a square plus b square. So this is the use of SUP tag. And we'll see SUB. SUB is, suppose if we want to give a1, if we give a1 directly, so it will look like this. So wait, we'll give BR tag, break tag. Okay, break tag, yes. So if we a1, if we give directly a1, so it will look like this. And if we give 1 in SUB tag, SUB, we give 1 in SUB tag, so now you can see the changes. Wait, I'll write the normal text also. A1, yes, here you can see the difference between this A1 and this A1. So this is how we'll do text formatting in HTML. So we have used bold text, strong text, italic text, marked text, small text, and even for SUP also. So how we can give squares and all, and SUB. So in the next video we'll see how to give colors for this text. Thank you.